All right, guys. Today I wanted to do a quick video review of the CK12 article on mechanical waves that I had you look over. So, um, this is starting a new unit, and we're going to be working with waves. We're starting off real general right now. But basically, a wave is a disturbance in matter, right? That's what they tell you here. A mechanical wave is a disturbance in matter that transfers energy through the matter. Okay. So, for example, a wave in the ocean, you could obviously see that's the type of disturbance, right? It's disturbed because that water is going up and down instead of just sitting still. Here you can see how drops of water into this, larger body of water, maybe it's in a pond or a cup or whatever, create these waves that go out. So those waves here are disturbances in matter. Okay. In our little discussion we had on Google Classroom the other day, I brought up, I don't know if any of you guys have seen the first Jurassic Park, but there's a scene where um, there a couple of kids are looking at, I believe it's a cup of water, and maybe it's a puddle, I forget, but there starts to be ripples, little waves in the water, and it turns out that that's the T-Rex coming, right? The T-Rex, walking around, shakes the ground so much that it creates waves in the water. I think it's a cup. So that's an example of a wave. It's disturbance in matter, okay? Then they talk about the medium, okay? So a medium is whatever the wave travels through. So obviously in the ocean, the medium of the wave there is water. Okay. So that's our example where the medium is a liquid, but the medium could also be a gas or solid. Okay. The easiest one with gas is just sound. Sound is a wave traveling through the air, right? The air is actually being disturbed when you hear a sound. Okay, so that's an example of a wave. So all of music, it's all waves, right? But also a wave could go through a solid. Okay, I don't know if you guys have ever um, held your ear up, say put your ear to an object, say like you had your ear on the desk because you were sleeping in class when you weren't supposed to, and somebody dropped a book on the desk, probably made a really loud sound to you. Well, that was actually a wave going through the solid, which was your desk. All right, the matter there was being disturbed. So in general, we want to get this idea down that waves aren't just in the ocean; they're also through the air. They're also through solids like the ground. Okay, and they could travel in multiple ways. All right, and we're gonna get down into the details of those different types of waves soon. Okay. Um, so I'm going to post a discussion question, and your task today is going to be respond to that discussion question on Google Classroom through a comment. All right. Good luck, guys.